Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we will see how to deactivate Viber account. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to deactivate the Viber account. Maybe because you no longer need your Viber account, or maybe you have created a new one, that's why you want to deactivate it. Or maybe there is any other reason for you to deactivate your account on Viber. So, whatever the reason it could be, in this video, I'll show you how easily you could deactivate your account on Viber. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to make sure that you have already installed the Viber app in your mobile phone and you have created your account on it. After that, just simply tap on the icon of the Viber to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the Viber app looks. We have a lot of options all over the screen. You could go into call to see all the call logs. You can go to messages, but we have to click on the third option, which is more, which is on the right bottom side. You have to just tap on it to get into this option. There you will see many options all over the screen. So from all these options, what we have to do is we just have to simply click on the settings, which is in the middle of all these options. This one, just simply tap on the settings icon to get into the settings. Once you get here, you could also read that we're into settings from the top and we have a lot of options. Every option has its own purpose that it performs in the app. So from all these options, we have to first click on the account and then we will get into the account settings. Here you could see we have 5 options. So below all these options, we have an option which says deactivate account. If you tap on it through this option, you could easily deactivate your Viber account. Once you tap on it, first it will ask for your contact number. You have to enter your contact number and the contact number should be the same that you added when you were creating your account on the Viber. In case you enter the incorrect contact number, so your account will not be deactivated. So for that you have to make sure that you enter the correct contact number, and once you enter your contact number you have to click on deactivate account. After that your account will be deactivated. So just simply enter your contact number to deactivate your account. There it is again asking us if we want to deactivate or not. So if you click on deactivate, your account will get deactivated. But one thing you have to understand that if you have any data in the app, it will get deleted. But if you want to again create your account, you just have to enter your contact number and it will gather your information and reactivate your account. But all the data, all the chats, all the files will get deleted. So you have to make sure that you take the right step. So for that, if you want to deactivate it, just click on this red option deactivate and your account will get deactivated. Now the account has been successfully deactivated, and if you ever want to activate your account, just enter your contact number and it will again reactive your account. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can deactivate your account on Viber. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.